चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाह 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 या रब 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 या रब।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू कंजुल ईमान स्कूल टीवी। आओ बच्चों, हम आज का सबक पढ़ते हैं। आप भी मेरे साथ मिलकर पढ़ें।
Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 35, Urdu page number 39, 40, English page number 36 and 38. Dear children, as you know, we had learned the page number 36 before, learned the page number 36 on the same pattern. What is, what are. Dear children, today we will learn the use of what is and what are. What is a question verb which we use to ask about something, like what is this, ये क्या है. If we are using is, it is for singular thing, and when there are plurals we use what are. So let's start reading. Today we will learn new words whale, whale and wild. Va, V-W-H creates the sound of va. Va, il, wheel. Va, il, whale. Va-ite, wide. What is this? ये क्या है? What is this? ये क्या है? This is a wheel. ये एक पहिया है. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a wheel. ये एक पहिया है. Dear children, read aloud with me again and again. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a rose. ये एक गुलाब का फूल है. What are these? अब ये प्लूरल है तो हमने क्या यूज़ किया? What are these? ये क्या है? These are toys. ये खिलौने हैं. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a whale. ये एक whale है. Whale fish. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a pen. ये एक कलम है. What are these? ये क्या है? These are birds. ये परिंदे हैं. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a rope. ये एक रस्सी है. What are these? ये क्या है? These are trees. ये दरख्त हैं. General knowledge. Question number 28. Name any 5 vegetables. Dear children, read aloud with me. Name any 5 vegetables. 5 vegetables के नाम बताने आपने. Potato, tomato, turnip, carrot, peas. Name any 5 vegetables. Name any 5 vegetables. 5 सब्जियों के नाम बताने हैं. कौन कौन से? Potato, tomato, turnip, carrot, peas. Name any 5 shapes. Shapes के नेम बताने हमने. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Name any 5 shapes. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Any bird's name. Any bird's name. Sparrow, parrot, crow, pigeon. There are many birds. Any birds you can tell. Any bird name. Any bird name का जो आंसर है वो रॉन्ग हो गया. मैं दोबारा से बता रही हूँ, आपने वो वाले रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है. Any bird's name. Dear children, there are many birds. You can tell the names of any bird, like parrot, pigeon, sparrow, crow, etc. Conversation. What is the day today? Today is Monday. आज क्या दिन है? Today is Monday. आज पीर है. What is the date today? आज क्या डेट है? Dear children, you have to mention the date over here. What is your telephone number? Here you have to mention your telephone number, learn your telephone number, learn the pattern of date and also learn the day's names. 10 little fingers. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Poem 10 little fingers. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 10 little, 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ear and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes that shine so bright and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night. Again I am going to read the poem 10 little fingers. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes that shine so bright and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night. Respected parents and teachers, revise page number 21, 24, 27, 30 and 33. Also revise the general knowledge and conversation question number 15 to question number 17. Learn the 3 poems, 10 little fingers, 2 little dicky birds, and the first one is, what was the first one? Early to bed. Teacher's note. Teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. Make sure that all the students have learnt all the questions today with loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. Now let's start the written work. Answer these questions. What is lion doing? शेर क्या कर रहा है? Lion is sleeping. So we will write sleeping over here. Sleeping. What is lion doing? Sleeping. What is lion doing? Sleeping. What is the rabbit doing? What is the rabbit doing? Rabbit is eating. So we will write eating over here. Eating. What is rabbit doing? Eating. What is rabbit doing? Eating. What is the deer doing? Deer क्या कर रही है? भाग रही है. Then we will write running. Running. भाग रही है, दौड़ रही है. What is deer doing? Running. 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 Respected parents, listen page number 36 and learn again. Homework. What is duck doing? Duck is swimming. So we will write swimming over here. What is the duck doing? Swimming. What is the horse doing? Walking. What is the frog doing? Jumping.
चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुर नूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह.